I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and cables. Identify whether your Vizio Soundbar supports HDMI eARC/ARC or only optical. Once done, make sure the Xbox Series X HDMI output and your TV's HDMI eARC/ARC input are accessible. That determines the wiring method. Get one HDMI cable rated for high speed and an optical cable as a backup. Plug each device into power, but don't turn them on yet. This prevents handshake errors. You're ready to choose the primary connection path. If your TV and soundbar support eARC, route the Xbox HDMI OUT to a regular HDMI in on the TV, then connect the TV's HDMI eARC/ARC port to the soundbar's HDMI eARC input. Once connected, power the TV, soundbar, and Xbox in that order to establish HDMI handshakes. Go into the TV's audio menu and enable HDMI eARC or ARC plus fixed or bitstream pass-through so the TV forwards Dolby Atmos or PCM to the soundbar. You're setting the path for high-quality audio transfer. If eARC isn't available, use your TV's optical audio out to the soundbar or employ an Xbox optical adapter if the TV lacks optical out. Next, on the Xbox, go to Settings, General, Volume, and Audio Output. Choose Bitstream format and select Dolby Digital or DTS if your soundbar supports them, otherwise pick Stereo Uncompressed. Restart all devices to lock settings. Troubleshooting tip: if you hear no audio, switch soundbar input, confirm TV audio pass-through is on, and try a different HDMI cable to rule out handshake issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.